Okay, let's wrap up this formula unit with one of these types of problems. Again, we could be doing sum and difference with these as well. So we could be asked to solve either side too. But this is the type of problem where they give us some information and then we have to use the formulas to solve, okay? So first we got to figure out the information they've given us. So they're saying cosine is 3/5. Well, we know what that means. That means A is a 3 and H is a 5. Remember, H is always positive. That's pretty key in this, okay? So then it's telling us our theta has to be between 0 and pi over 2. So we're going to find our place. We're finding the home for our theta. Well, here's 0. Here's pi over 2, so it has to be over here somewhere, right? So that's what we just found. And then so basically what they're giving us is a triangle, right? So they're giving us this triangle that looks like this. So the adjacent side is 3. The hypotenuse then is 5. Oh, it's one of our special ones. So this must be the 4. 3, 4, 5 triangle, right? Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, well, let's solve for cosine of 2 theta. We're going to go pick one of these double angle formulas. So we're going to pick this guy right here. So I want the right side. So instead of thinking of it as 2 theta, let's think of it like that. And then I'm going to use this property of trig where I can say, well, cosine squared of theta is the same as cosine theta squared. So we can do cosine theta and square it first. So that's going to look like this. We know cosine at theta already. It's 3 over 5, right? So we got 2 times 3 over 5, all squared, minus 1. And then for the sake of time, I'm not going to simplify this, but you need to, okay? Then you're just going PEMDAS crazy, and you're going to get an answer. And the final answer on this one was negative 17/25, okay? So check that out. But yeah, you got to get a final answer. So then we're going to solve for sine at theta divided by 2. So again, it's just the formula game. So we're going to go and we're going to find the half angle formula for sine. And we're going to use this side instead. And again, we've already got cosine at theta. So we have plus or minus the root of 1 minus 3/5, because we already know cosine at theta is 3/5, divided by 2. So again, you got plenty of algebra to do here to simplify these. Don't want fractions on fractions, and we need a rational denominator. Don't forget, it's always plus or minus here. So this one's going to end up with 2 answers because of the nature of the root. But again, we use the information we have. We might have to Pythagorean theorem to get an extra side or 2, because if we had to use sine, we would have had to use the 4, right, for the opposite side. Or if we had to use a tangent, something like that, right? So this is the end of the formulas. So just keep practicing sum, difference, double, half. We're looking for exact values though, right? We're looking to unleash theta to get an exact value without a calculator. All right, good luck.